Is your website buried on page 10 of Google? In 2025, the digital landscape is more competitive than ever. Using the right SEO tools is no longer just an advantage, it's a necessity for survival and growth. The game has changed. It's not just about keywords anymore, it's about topical authority, user experience, numbers, and leveraging artificial intelligence. So, how do you stay ahead? That's what we're here to show you. In this video, we're cutting through the noise to give you the ultimate updated list of the best SEO tools you need to dominate the search rankings in 2025. We'll cover everything from the all-in-one giants to specialized AI-powered platforms. Let's get started. First up, the all-in-one powerhouses. These are the Swiss Army knives of SEO, giving you a complete toolkit to manage your entire strategy from one dashboard. Number 1, Ahrefs. You've probably heard of it, and for good reason. Ahrefs remains the king of backlink analysis. If you want to see who's linking to you, or more importantly to your competitors, this is the gold standard, but for 2025, its power extends far beyond links. Its Keywords Explorer provides some of the most accurate search volume data, and its site audit tool is essential for finding technical issues that are killing your rankings. It's a premium tool, but the investment pays for itself. Next, we have SEMrush. If Ahrefs is the king of backlinks, SEMrush is the master of competitor analysis. It offers an incredible suite of tools that cover everything from organic search to paid advertising, social media, and content marketing. For 2025, its integration of AI for topic research and its extensive market analysis tools make it invaluable for understanding your entire digital ecosystem, not just your organic search presence. It's a fantastic all-rounder, especially for businesses running multiple marketing campaigns. Looking for a powerful yet more affordable alternative? Meet SE Ranking. This platform has rapidly grown into a serious contender, offering a surprisingly robust set of features for its price point. You get accurate rank tracking, a comprehensive website audit, backlink analysis, and a fantastic content editor tool with AI capabilities. For small businesses, freelancers, and agencies on a budget, SE Ranking delivers incredible value without compromising on core features. In 2025, Google rewards expertise. These tools help you create content that proves you're an authority in your field. Leading the pack is Surfer SEO. This is the ultimate tool for on-page optimization. Surfer analyzes the top ranking pages for your target keyword and gives you a data-driven blueprint for your content. It tells you which keywords to use, how long your article should be, what questions to answer, and more, all in a real-time editor. Its new AI features can even generate entire articles based on this analysis, making content creation faster and more effective than ever. This next tool is a secret weapon for building topical authority. Keyword Insights. You give it a list of keywords and its AI doesn't just give you data, it clusters them into content topics and determines search intent. It helps you plan your content hub and spoke model perfectly. Instead of writing one-off articles, you can build pillars of content that signal your expertise to Google. This is how you win in semantic search in 2025. You can have the best content in the world, but if your site has technical problems, Google won't rank it. These tools are essential for a healthy website. Let's start with the one that's non-negotiable and 100% free, Google Search Console. This is data straight from the source. GSC tells you how Google sees your site. You can monitor your core web vitals, check for indexing errors, see which queries are bringing you traffic, and submit sitemaps. If you aren't checking your Search Console at least once a week, you're doing SEO blind. For deep diving into your site's architecture, the industry standard is the Screaming Frog SEO Spider. This desktop program crawls your website just like Googlebot does, giving you a complete list of every URL, status code, meta tag, and image. It's the best tool for finding broken links, redirect chains, and duplicate content at scale. It has a learning curve, but it is absolutely indispensable for any serious technical audit. For businesses with physical locations, local search is a completely different battlefield. You need specialized tools. Our top pick here is Bright Local. It's a comprehensive platform built specifically for local SEO. It helps you track your rankings in specific zip codes, manage and generate reviews, audit your Google business profile, and build consistent citations across the web. If customers need to find your front door, Bright Local is the tool that lays out the welcome mat online. So there you have it, the best SEO tools to carry you to the top of the rankings in 2025. The right tool for you depends on your budget, your goals, and your business type. A quick recap. For an all-in-one solution, look at Ahrefs, SEMrush, or SE ranking. To create unbeatable content, use Surfer SEO and Keyword Insights. For technical health, Google Search Console and Screaming Frog are must-haves. And for local businesses, Bright Local is your key to success. Many of these tools offer free trials, so I highly recommend you test a few out to see what fits your workflow best. The world of SEO is always evolving, but with these tools in your arsenal, you'll be more than ready for what 2025 has in store. What's your favorite SEO tool? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more digital marketing insights.